Hello everyone, welcome back to my educational channel Gyan Wizard. I am Ajmal. Today I am going to solve practice questions from arithmetic progressions for standard 10. Question is, find 4 consecutive terms in AP whose sum is 72 and the ratio of the product of first and the fourth number to the product of second and third number is 9 to 10. Find these numbers. First we need to assume the 4 numbers which are in AP. Here we can use either a minus 3d, a minus d, a plus d and a plus 3d, or we can also choose a minus d, a plus d and a plus 2d. In both the cases you will get the answer, but let's find out which one will be the simple one. Because here condition is sum is 72, that means we need to add the 4 terms. When we will add the first one, minus 3d and plus 3d will be cancelled out. Similarly, minus d and plus d will be cancelled out and we will get the value of a from here. And we will use the second conditions to get the value of d. In second case, minus d and plus d will be cancelled out on additions, but we will get a term, this plus d and plus 2d will be added. That means we will get an equation in terms of a and d both. We will get another equations in terms of a and d when we will use second conditions. That means we need to solve these 2 equations to find out the value of a and d. But in this one, on adding we get the value of a directly, and that value we can substitute in second equation to find out the value of d. That means this set of the 4 assumed numbers give a much simpler solutions. Let's do the first condition. Their sum is 72. A minus 3d plus a minus d plus a plus d plus a plus 3d equal to 72. Minus 3d plus 3d minus d plus d cancelled out. It gives 4a equal to 72 or a equal to 72 upon 4. That means a equal to 18. So from first condition we got the value of a. Let's use the second condition. Product of the ratio of the product of first and the fourth term. That means a minus 3d into a plus 3d. Ratio means division. Product of second and third term. Second term is a minus d and third term is a plus d, and this is given as the 9 to 10. That means 9 by 10. We can substitute the value of a, or let's first simplify it. It is in the form a minus b, a plus b, which is equal to a square minus b square. Here we can write down a square minus 9 d square divided by a square minus d square is equal to 9 by 10. Let's substitute the value of a in this equation. Means (18) square minus 9d square divided by a square 18 square minus d square is equal to 9 by 10. 18 square we can write down 18 into or 18 minus 9 d square divided by 18 square minus d square is equal to 9 by 10. 18 we can write down 2 into 9 into 18 minus 9 d square. 18 square is 324. minus d square is equal to 9 by 10. 9 we can take out as common. 9 times 2 into 18 minus d square divided by 324 minus d square is equal to 9 by 10. This 9 and 9 will be cancelled out. 2 into 18 is 36 minus d square divided by 324 minus d square is equal to 1 by 10. Now we can do cross multiplications. 10 multiplied by 36 minus d square is equal to 324 minus d square. The 360 minus 10d square equal to 324 minus d square. Transpose minus d square on this side. This will be equal to minus 10d square plus d square. This is equal to 324 minus 326. This is minus 9 d square. This is equal to minus 36. Minus cancel is d square is equal to 4, and therefore d is equal to plus minus 2. Now let's find out the numbers. When a equal to 18 and d equal to plus 2. 18 minus 3d, 3 into 2, 6. 18 minus 6 is 12. Next number is a minus d. 18 minus 2 is 16. 18 plus 2 is 22. And a plus 3d, 18 plus 6 is 24. Or when a equal to 18 but d equal to minus 2. 18 a minus 3 do minus 3 into minus 2 is 6 plus 6. 18 plus 6 is 24. A minus d, 18 plus this is equal to the a minus d. This will be equal to 18 plus 2 is 20. A plus d, 18 minus 2 is 16, and this will be 12. So the four required consecutive numbers in AP are either 12, 16, 20 and 24, or 24, 20, 16 and 12. Hope you find this video useful. Please like it, share with your friends, and subscribe to my channel for getting notifications on new video uploaded. Thank you very much for watching this video.